eastern Charles County, southern Maryland, Stafford County, northern Virginia, King George County in central Virginia, the eastern city of Fredericksburg in central Virginia, southeastern Fairfax County in northern Virginia, southeastern Prince William County in northern Virginia, east central Spotsylvania County in central Virginia, until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 5:07 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles west of Triangle to Stafford to near Massaponax, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
It's raining.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Stafford, Dale City, Springfield, Fredericksburg, Groveton, Fort Belvoir, King George, Woodbridge, Dahlgren, Quantico, Fairview Beach, Nanjemoy Creek, Aquia Creek, Potomac Creek, Port Tobacco River, Lake Ridge, Montclair, Lorton, Franconia, and Newington. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. From nearport to 8 miles east of Quantico to near Fort Royal, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees.
What is going on?
Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Here is the regional weather forecast.
God damn.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland. Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland. Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland, and the Little Choptank River. Eastern Bay, Patapsco River, including Baltimore Harbor. Patchison River to Boones Island, Maryland. Sail yourselves in the inland waters surrounding Bloodsworth Island until 7:30 p.m. At 5:36 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 nautical miles west of Alexandria to near Indian Head to Matthias Point and 9 nautical miles south of Fairview Beach, moving northeast at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Choptank River, George Point State Park, Magacy River, Rock Hall, Dobbins Island, Blackownet Point, Pools Island, Coupled Creek, Herring Bay, Gunpowder River, Sandy Point State Park, Northeast River, Bloody Point Light, Thomas Point Light, Calvert Cliffs, Poplar Island, Pinehurst, St. Leonard Creek, Aberdeen Proving Ground, and Fort Smallwood Park. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Chesapeake Bay north of Pools.
Crazy part about all this, it is December 31st. It is the last day of the year. We're in the middle of winter, and for some reason we have not only a severe thunderstorm warning, but a special marine warning. Crazy shit.
Direct path of a tornado touchdown. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Damage to roofs, siding, and windows may occur.
It's raining right now.
Mobile homes may be damaged or destroyed. Tree damage is likely.
On the last fucking day of the year,
The storm
too.
will be near Forestville, Coral Hills, Camp Springs, Oxon Hill, Walker Mill, Temple Hills, and Marlow Heights around 5:55 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Other locations affected by this tornadic thunderstorm include Morningside, District Heights, Suitland Silver Hill, Forest Heights, and Capitol Heights. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This is a statement the National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the Eastern District of Columbia and Arundel County in central Maryland, northwestern St. Mary's County in southern Maryland, Calvert County in southern Maryland, Prince George's County in central Maryland, eastern Charles County in southern Maryland, until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. 6 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations affected include Waldorf, Raleigh, Southern, Necklace, Clinton, College Park, Crofton, Greenbelt, Riviera Beach, Forest Hill, Largo, Chesapeake Ranch Estates, Coral Hills, Ladensburg, Mayo, Shadyside, Chesapeake Beach. Storms were located along a line extending from near Bowie to near Breezy Point to near St. Clements Bay, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Easton, Centerville, Talbot, Chestertown, Denton, Centerville, Romancoke, Federalsburg, Greensboro, Oakland, Ridgely, Rock Hall, Trapp, St. Michael's, Churchill, Preston, Oxford, Millington, Sutherlandsville, and Goldsboro. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. And marine warning for Lower Delaware Bay, coastal and outer waters from Great Edge Inlet to Fenwick Island, Delaware, until 8 p.m. At 7:04 p.m., an area of located across the mouth of Delaware Bay and offshore about 10 nautical miles south of 2 milliseconds, moving north at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged from briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted. Buoy 4 FE, Buoy 3 FE, Cape Lopen, Deepwater Reef, Cape May Point, Wildwood, Overfalls Shoal, The Rump, 28-mile wreck, Cape May Reef, Seal City, Buoy 2 milliseconds, and Wildwood Reef. South of Cambridge, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Dover, Middletown, Georgetown, Smyrna, Milford, Seaford, Chestertown, Denton, Millsboro, Laurel, Harrington, Camden, Clayton, Federalsburg, Milton, Bridgeville, Greensboro, Oakland, Ridgely, and Sheffield. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties in Delaware, Kent, Newcastle, and Sussex, and the following counties in Maryland, Caroline, Kent, and Queen Anne's.